Hello and welcome back again, my friend. We came back in another video. As you see that the Bitcoin here, daily candle is finished here. And I'm so sorry about my voice. As you see, my voice is not well. That way I haven't put for you videos those past days, but we came back today. So as you see here, the Bitcoin in daily, we came here to that zone because over here we got the 200 and the 100 moving average here. Bitcoin is showing to us a falling down today, but that candle will happen here is Monday candle. So till now there is nothing. Also today we enter along in our Discord and in our Telegram. By the way, if you are new, you can join us in Discord and Telegram. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video if you want. If you don't, just here you're going to benefit from our daily analysis. As you see the Bitcoin here, it gave us here the trend line here. For us to enter along, it needs to be broken here as we've been talking before. And if you remember, I told you we got here a head and shoulder like that, and the neckline is getting broke here. Even that one you need to be focused about, but at this time me I thinking there is a dump going to happen, guys. I'm going to explain to you why in that video, so make sure to watch everything. So let me start. As you see here, if we zoom in the moving averages here, what you see in here in that zone here, you see the 100 moving average, it crossed below in the 200 moving average, and that it's very bad news till now. You need to be careful. Another thing, as you see the Bitcoin here, a reverse from that level here. Me, I told you maybe we're going to go to 50 moving average, but till now the 50 moving average cross here, the 100 cross here, so we need at least those moving averages to cross back up. Till now as we're still waiting, and as we came back to every day here. Another thing very important, let me show it to you. It's our indicator. As you see it, guys, it started entering here in the daily to overbought area. So technically you need to look into enter short, but at this time there is no short unless if it fall down and breaking that trend line here. As you see it, that one and that one, if it getting broke down, yes, you can enter short, but at this time there is no entry short, so you need to wait till you got a clear picture. Because now here you got a wage like that. As you see it, you need to wait where it's going to be broken, either up here or either down here. And if you remember in the past videos, I told you we got here an inside bar. Till now that inside bar, it doesn't get broke up or down, so you need to wait till you got a clear picture at the right time. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news of today. So let's go in there. The coming news of today, guys, as you see it, we don't got nothing here. There is no special news today. The only thing why us we came here because of our friend. As you see it, look at it, all US stocks today, they closing the day green. As you see it, that very bad news as I've been talking about with you, and people they been with me here in that channel for some time. When Monday closing like that, we're going to see a very red week, and that what the SP500 is telling us till now. I just analyze it in our other YouTube channel. By the way, if you want to watch the video, just search here in YouTube for Index Insider. You're going to find the channel, and you watch the SP500, the Nasdaq 100 and the DXY if you want. Another thing here, it's our friend the VIX. As you see it, after we touching 20 level, we fall down to 17. That means candles go back to down, but it's not yet. We need to wait in more. I just been talking about with you because me, I'm still believing there is a dump going to happen before the major pump. So you, if you are a long term, just started, they say, but not buying Bitcoin. They say that, man, every month, every week, every day, deposit money in your crypto exchange, and you be ready when the dip happen. You find the time to buy. By the way, in our Discord and in our VIP Telegram, we given long-term signals. If you want to be an investor for long term, we given even those ones. If you want a day trader, we given signals to day trade. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction. As you see, guys, people they've been with us here in the Ethereum. As we enter a short from here, exactly here. Look at it. It hit here. The first take profit, second take profit. Today the third take profit. It's being hitted. We make very nice profit from that short signal here in the Ethereum. Now what we need to do, because as you see, look at it by your eye, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, the Ethereum now is at 1579.10. so maybe from here we're going to see the Ethereum jumping up. And even if you see the candle will happen today, as you see, Ethereum it give you here in that level a very high pin bar there, telling you maybe the Ethereum it will reverse from here. What should we do? We need to come here as you see it like that, and you draw in a trend line like that, and you wait it to get broke. If it's getting broke here, we will enter long. If it's not, let it to fall down. So we're still holding our short. People they are with me, they know that. Till now haven't closed everything. Yes, I move stop lose here to that level here. I'm still waiting. If the Ethereum fall down more, I'm collecting more premium. If it move upward, I'm going to close the short and open a long. I think everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. As you see, our indicator it enter here to oversold area level. As we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter long? If the Ethereum came and breaking that trend line here, that one here, as you see it how I draw it, we need to enter long. If it's not, as we still waiting, because at the end of the day, that one is just an oscillator and that one is just a level as we draw it. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin what they're doing today in the 4 hours. The Bitcoin, it's not like Ethereum, guys. Bitcoin, it's still holding that level here. And me, I tell it to you in the last video, I told you came down here in the 4 hours, and here in the top, you draw in here a triangle like that, and you waited where it's going to be broken. We fall down here, and we saw that big candle that way. Also, enter long in 30 minutes. We are coming there, but now here in 4 hours we got that very high double top here. If it fall down and breaking down here the neckline, that means also we need to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, and also we still waiting till the right time, guys. And here you remember people they been with us. Also we tell you here we got a head and shoulder. That head and shoulder is getting broke here. That the head and shoulder also we been talking about. As you see it, it's getting broke here in that level. So maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down more than that. But till now there is no clear picture. Now I'm focused about that double top here. As you see it here, that one here. That way what me I'm focused about. I'm waiting the break to happen here for me to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we coming from overbought area. Till now, also we still just here in that wall here. We haven't entered in the level where is the bears they controlling down here. So we need to wait and more. And I just show you the price action, the double top. If it's breaking the neckline and that one enter down here, that means also we are going down to oversold area. So we need to wait till we got a clear picture. And also we updating you every day. That's why me I told you you can join us in Telegram and Discord. Yes, those past days we haven't put in videos, but we've been updating people there every day. Yes, I can't talk, but I can write. That the other story. So even you can join us. And by the way, it's not expensive, it's only $10. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Also we are here at the overbought area level. We are coming from very stronger level. Price action we got here, the double top like that. If we break in the neckline, yes, we need to enter short. If it's not, we got here in the top the triangle like that, or the trend line. If it's getting broke here, we will enter long again, because that one at the end of the day, it's just indicators, and indicators not every time they work. They give you thousands of fake signals. Also we testing millions of them. That's why as we telling you, till now there is nothing. And people they been with me here in that channel, they remember we show you here that up channel like that. You remember it or no? Till now we haven't touched the lower of it. Then after that when we touch it, we're going to find maybe if the market going to break it down or to reverse up. Till now we still waiting till we got a clear picture, guys. If there is no clear picture, there is no entry. Also, we don't throw in money from window. Also, we are investors and we wait in the right time. That's what me have been teaching you here in that channel. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. You smash the like button. You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes yesterday, I enter a short from here, from that candle here. It came here, that candle here will give me here a fake signal. I close the short and I enter along. It hit the stop loss here. Fair enough. That's a part of the game. Now here, the market it give me here a double bottom here and it's breaking the neckline here. That's why I enter long. This time when I'm recording now, I am in the profit. It reached till here. I haven't closed it because my first take profit is it here at that level here. You see it how I started from that one and that one. That where is it my first take profit. Bitcoin it came till here and I haven't closed it. Either it need to hit for me the first take profit or to fall down to hit for me stop loss. If it doesn't, there is no entry. At this time here, Bitcoin try to give you here like a cup and handle here in 30 minutes. If it's breaking the neckline, you can enter more long. That's for the people they haven't entered with us. People they enter with us, fair enough. And by the way, also we don't give them only signals in the Bitcoin. We're giving signals in Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptos. We enter in T-Fuel. It's hitting for us first, second, take profit. We enter in the Ethereum. We enter in the Bitcoin Cash. A lot of cryptos, even you can benefit from that. Let's see our indicator was saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it down here at the oversold area. That's why us we enter along based on that, because us we just touching a very stronger supply and demand zone. Until now the Bitcoin is showing to us is going to go more higher, and us we still waiting. Only thing now here, we got a trend line. Let me show it to you. As you see, if you came to the tail of that candle here and you do it like that, when that one being touched here, we need to close the long, guys. Then us from here we will try to enter a short. This time we still waiting till we got a clear picture. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.